Yo, Newswade fans. Have you ever wondered what happens to all the leftover gunk from making biodiesel? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into a game-changing discovery that's turning that sticky mess into clean energy. Today we're exploring a breakthrough from Baylor University that's set to shake up the world of biofuels. Get ready to meet the Swirl Burst Injector. It's not just a fancy name, it's a revolution in clean energy. Let's start with a quick refresher on biofuels. These are fuels made from plant materials or animal waste. They're a great alternative to fossil fuels, but they come with their own challenges. One big issue, the leftover glycerol from biodiesel production. It's sticky, it's hard to burn cleanly, and it's been a real headache for the industry, but that's where our hero of the day comes in, the Swirl Burst Injector. So, what exactly is this Swirl Burst Injector? Picture a super smart fuel nozzle that's been engineered to tackle the toughest, stickiest fuels. It's like a mini tornado in a bottle, creating a swirling motion that breaks down thick fuels into tiny droplets. This clever design makes it possible to burn glycerol almost perfectly with barely any pollution. Now let's break down how this nifty device works. First, it mixes glycerol with methanol, that's the secret sauce. Then, as this mixture enters the injector, it starts to swirl. This swirling motion is crucial. It's what turns our sticky glycerol into a fine mist. When this mist meets the air and ignites, it burns completely and cleanly. The result? Near zero emissions and a whole lot of energy. But why is this such a big deal? Well, it's solving two problems at once. Problem one, what to do with all that leftover glycerol from biodiesel production. Problem two, how to create clean energy without relying on fossil fuels. The Swirl Burst Injector tackles both these issues head on. Let's talk numbers for a second. For every 10 gallons of biodiesel produced, we end up with about 1 gallon of glycerol. That's a lot of waste that could now become valuable fuel. Imagine turning millions of gallons of waste into clean energy. That's the potential we're looking at here. This technology isn't just good news for the environment, it's great for the economy too. Biodiesel plants could become more efficient and profitable. They'd be turning their waste into a valuable product. It's like finding gold in your trash. Pretty exciting stuff. Now you might be wondering, is this too good to be true? It's a fair question. The technology is still in development and testing phases, but the results so far are incredibly promising. Researchers at Baylor University, led by Dr. Lulin Jiang, have been working hard to perfect this technology. Let's take a moment to appreciate the broader impact of this invention. We're talking about a technology that could help industries reduce their carbon footprint. It's a step towards a circular economy where waste becomes a resource. And it's contributing to our global efforts to fight climate change. But what does this mean for you and me? Well, in the near future, it could mean cleaner air in our cities. It could lead to more sustainable energy options for our homes and businesses. And it's a reminder that innovative solutions to big problems are possible. Now let's address some questions you might have. Is this technology ready for use right now? Not quite yet. Will it completely replace other forms of energy? Probably not on its own, but it's a significant piece of the puzzle in our transition to cleaner energy sources. As we look to the future, the Swirl Burst Injector opens up exciting possibilities. Imagine biofuel plants becoming clean energy powerhouses. Picture a world where we're not just reducing waste, but turning it into something valuable. That's the kind of future this technology is helping to build. So, there you have it, the Swirl Burst Injector, turning sticky waste into clean energy. It's a perfect example of how creative thinking and engineering can solve complex problems. What do you think about this technology? Could it be a game changer in our quest for sustainable energy? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video interesting, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's spread the word about these exciting developments in clean energy. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future of energy might just be swirling in a laboratory right now. Check out more at newswade.com.